Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fourth. No, it's the fifth puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, August the 7th, 2020. Yes, it's still a hot day. My ventilator is running maximum. Look, my ventilator. Yes, a lot of wind. I'm sweating. The fifth puzzle, a binary puzzle, and this will be number 1306. Wow, 1306. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? We have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. The rules. One of the rules are in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. I see here also 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Yes. Between no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here and O there, no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here 1 there 1. We have 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Let me see. Well, I need to compare something, I think. No, O10. We need an O10. No. Alright. 1 2 3. No. 1 2 3. Yes. 1 2 3. 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Then double O here 1 there 1. Double 1 here no there no. 4 O's now in this column, so the rest are ones. We have 4 ones in the second row, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then 101. This row and the second row almost the same. Let's compare 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 empty box 1 1 0 0. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Alright. Then do we have O10? No. Alright. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here 1 there 1. double 1 here an O, there an O, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's, 4 1's, so the rest are O's, between 2 O's comes an 1, between 2 1's comes an O, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a minute with the last Sudoku. This will be a tectonic one, aka Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.